The Lord be with you, good everyone. Today is Wednesday, and our gospel will be coming from St. Matthew chapter 23, verses 27 to 32. The gospel is a continuation of Jesus' criticism against the scribes and Pharisees for their hypocrisy. He even compared them to a whitewashed tomb, beautiful and white outside, but full of skeletons inside. My dear friends, may we not be like the scribes and Pharisees who are making our outside beautiful, appealing, and always giving importance on delivering a good impression on others, but full of lies, hypocrisy, and misleading attitudes. As members of our Catholic Church, we need to be truthful in our words, in our actions. There must be complementarity on what others see on us and what we are inside our own selves, inside the four corners of our room. In other words, we can never lie against God. We may fool others, but we can never fool our God. God can see us through and through, and God can see the desire of our hearts. Let us not be like the modern hypocrites, those people who are misleading the people, who always have personal interest and personal desires, using the name of God, using charity, using service, exploiting the poor, the vulnerable, and those who are less privileged, using them in the name of justice, in the name of charity, but with the personal interest. We may be able to fool others, but we will never fool our God, who can see the content of our hearts. Come to Jesus with the bareness of our hearts, and He will judge us by the way we truly love and give ourselves to others. God bless.